Do you use high pressure to clean roofs? At RedClean, we understand that roof cleaning is not just about removing dirt and grime, it's about preserving the integrity and longevity of your roof. That's why we're committed to using the most effective and safe methods to ensure your roof stays in top-notch condition. Understanding the difference: steam cleaning versus high pressure. First, let's clarify the distinction between steam cleaning and high pressure cleaning. Steam cleaning. Steam cleaning involves using superheated water at low pressure to clean the roof surface. It's a gentle yet highly effective method that relies on less pressure and steam to break down and remove dirt, mould, algae and other contaminants from your roof. High pressure cleaning. High pressure cleaning, on the other hand, uses extremely forceful jets of water at high pressure to clean surfaces. While it can be effective for some applications, it can also be too aggressive for certain materials like roofing shingles. Why we choose steam cleaning for roof cleaning. At RedClean, our decision to use steam cleaning for roof cleaning is rooted in our commitment to safety, effectiveness, and preserving your roofing materials. Here's why steam cleaning is our preferred method. Gentle on your roof. Steam cleaning is gentle on roofing materials. It doesn't subject them to potential damage that high pressure methods can cause. This means your roof stays structurally sound and visually appealing. Effective at removing contaminants. The combination of heat and low pressure steam effectively breaks down and removes a wide range of contaminants. This includes moss, algae, mould and dirt. It's a thorough and long-lasting cleaning solution. No risk of water intrusion. High pressure cleaning can force water under the roofing materials, potentially causing leaks and other damage. Steam cleaning minimises this risk, ensuring that your roof's protective barriers remain intact. Eco-friendly. Steam cleaning is an eco-friendly method that doesn't rely on harsh chemicals or excessive water usage. It aligns with our commitment to environmentally responsible practices. Preventing future growth. The heat from steam cleaning helps to kill off spores and microorganisms. Combine that with treating the roof with a DDAC 40% biocide and our 4-year no moss return guarantee. This means your roof stays cleaner for longer. Aesthetic benefits. Steam cleaning cleans your roof and leaves it looking refreshed and vibrant. It can enhance the curb appeal of your property. The versatility of steam cleaning. Steam cleaning isn't just beneficial for cleaning roofs, it's a versatile method that can be applied to various surfaces around your property. Here are some additional areas where we would use steam cleaning. Paths and driveways. Steam cleaning can effectively remove stubborn stains like grease and dirt from concrete surfaces, leaving them looking new. Exterior walls. Whether your walls are made of siding, brick or other materials, steam cleaning can safely remove dirt, algae and mould, revitalising the appearance of your home. Patios and decks. Steam cleaning, including wooden decks and stone patios, is excellent for outdoor spaces. It can remove the built-up grime and algae, making these areas safe and visually appealing. Gutters and downspouts. Steam cleaning can help clear debris from gutters and downspouts, ensuring proper drainage and preventing water damage. Your roof deserves the best. Your roof is one of the most critical components of your home, protecting it from the elements all year round. That's why it deserves the best care and attention possible. At RedClean, steam cleaning is the ideal solution for roof cleaning because it combines effectiveness with safety. We understand the unique needs of different roofing materials and adapt our cleaning methods accordingly. Whether you have tile, metal or other roofing material, steam cleaning is a safe and reliable choice to ensure that your roof stays clean, beautiful and structurally sound. If you require a professional roof cleaning company that preserves the longevity and appearance of your roof, RedClean is here to help. Our team of experienced technicians are well versed in steam cleaning and we're dedicated to delivering the best results for your property. So please feel free to contact us today.